Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden stories in financial filings. Today we're diving into Bank of Hawaii Corporation's latest report, and let's just say, it seems like they're keeping things pretty steady, but we'll see if that means they're rock solid or just floating along. Before we get into the nitty gritty, if you enjoyed getting these clear, no fluff breakdowns of what's really going on with companies, make sure you're subscribed. And for more exclusive insights and to chat with us directly, join our Discord community. The link is in the description below. So what's the big news from Bank of Hawaii Corporation as of July 28, 2025? Well, they've announced their results for the quarter that ended on June 30, 2025. This is the standard stuff, telling us how the company performed in the last 3 months, and it's all being shared via a press release. Now let's talk about how this impacts the heart of the company's share owners, the common stock. The report confirms the company's common stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker BOW. It's a fundamental piece of their structure representing ownership in the bank. And then we have their preferred stock, specifically Series A. This is like a special kind of stock that pays a fixed dividend, in this case 4.375%. It's also traded on the New York Stock Exchange, but under the ticker BOW. Think of preferred stock as having some priority over common stock, especially when it comes to getting paid. They also have another series of preferred stock, Series B, with a higher fixed dividend of 8.00000. This one is traded on the NYSE too, carrying the ticker BOYP. Having different series of preferred stock can be a way for companies to raise capital with different terms and conditions that appeal to different investors. The main point of this filing is to give us a peek into the bank's financial health and how it's doing operationally. They're sharing their earnings for the second quarter of 2025. This is where we get the numbers that tell us if they're making money or losing it, and if their overall financial position is strong. This document, which is essentially a more detailed look at their financials, is a key part of the filing. It's where you'd find the nitty-gritty details on revenue, expenses, profits, and all those other important figures that show how the bank is really performing. It gives us the raw data to understand their success or struggles. Now, let's try to find some actual numbers discussed right here in the filing to get a feel for their situation. The report includes details on their common stock, Series A preferred stock, and Series B preferred stock, and Series B preferred stock. While specific dollar amounts for their performance aren't explicitly laid out in the provided snippets here, the filing confirms these are the key financial instruments they're reporting on a period ending June 30th, reporting on a period ending June 30th, which is pretty standard for quarterly earnings. Looking at this filing, it seems Bank of Hawaii Corporation is very organized in its reporting. They're clearly stating the dates and the nature of the information they're releasing. The securities registered are their common stock and 2 series of preferred stock, all listed on the New York Stock Exchange. This tells us they are a publicly traded company with a significant presence in the financial markets. So what's our take on Bank of Hawaii Corporation after looking at this report? From what we can see publicly, they are diligently following reporting requirements and updating the market on their financial performance. The focus on their different stock types indicates a structured approach to capital management. However, without the actual financial results from the press release they are referencing, it's tough to make a deep dive into their performance. It's like getting the table of contents without the chapters. We know when they announce their earnings and what they announce, but not the actual financial story. We'll have to wait for more detailed financial dating the market on their financial performance. The focus on their different stock types indicates a structured approach to capital management. However, without the actual financial story, we'll have to wait for more detailed financial data to truly assess their direction, any significant risks or opportunities they might be facing, and their overall health in the market. Alright, that's our quick look at this Bank of Hawaii Corporation filing. What are your thoughts? Do you think this steady reporting signals stability or something else? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a like and definitely subscribe for more of these corporate deep dives. And remember to check out our Discord channel in the description for more in-depth discussions and to connect with the community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.